Dear learners, welcome to the course for Indian Culture and Heritage at secondary level. I am Azmat Noori from NIS, the course coordinator for this course. Before going further, I will tell you the specific objectives as well as learning outcomes of the course. After completing this course, you would be able to understand various aspects of the culture and heritage of India, contribution of our ancestors in the areas of religion, philosophy, science, arts, education, language and literature, composite nature and impact of Indian culture in different countries of the world, and also develop a feeling of love and a sense of belonging towards the nation. There are 9 modules in this course titled as number 1 Culture, number 2 History and Culture through the Ages, number 3 Languages and Literature, number 4 Religion and Philosophy, number 5 Painting, Performing Arts and Architecture, number 6 Science and Technology, number 7 Education, number 8 Social Structure, number 9 Spread of Indian Culture Abroad. Let us have an overview of module number 1, that is culture. This module is designed to develop an understanding of the concept and meaning of culture. Accordingly, this module has divided into 2 lessons. Lesson number 1, Culture and Introduction. Lesson number 2, Indian Culture. Now let us understand module number 2, that is History and Culture through the Ages. This module aims to highlight significant culture developments during the ancient, medieval and modern periods of Indian history. Accordingly, you will find 3 lessons in continuation with the previous lesson in this module. Lesson number 3, Ancient India. Lesson number 4, Medieval India. Lesson number 5, Modern India. Now let us understand module number 3, that is Language and Literature. This module is intended to acquaint the learners with the languages and literature of India. This module shall examine the important role of Sanskrit in ancient India. Accordingly, you will find 2 lessons in continuation with the previous lessons in this module. Lesson number 6, Indian Languages and Literature, Part 1. Lesson number 7, Indian Languages and Literature, Part 2. Now let us understand module number 5, that is Religion and Philosophy. This module aims to trace the development in Indian philosophical thought and examine the major religious traditions that emerged and flourished in India over the ages. This module also discusses the movements started in the modern period to reform the various ills that had crept into the different religions of India. Accordingly, you will find 3 lessons in continuation with the previous lesson in this module. Lesson number 8, Religion and Philosophy in Ancient India. Lesson number 9, Religion and Philosophy in Medieval India. Lesson number 10, Religious Reform Movements in Modern India. Now let us understand module number 5, that is Painting, Performing Arts and Architecture. This module traces the evolution of various art forms in India such as painting, handicrafts, music, dance, drama, architecture and sculpture. Accordingly, you will find 3 lessons in continuation with the previous lesson in this module. Lesson number 11, Indian Painting. Lesson number 12, Performing Arts, Music, Dance and Drama. Lesson number 13, Indian Architecture. Now let us understand module number 6, that is Science and Technology. This module examines the important development in the field of science and technology in India during the course of its history. It also assesses the contribution made by outstanding scientists of India during the modern period. Accordingly, you will find 4 lessons in continuation with the previous lesson in this module. Lesson number 14, Science and Technology in India. Lesson number 15, Scientists of Ancient India. Lesson number 16, Science and Scientists of Medieval India. Lesson number 17, Scientists of Modern India. Now let us understand module number 7, that is Education. This module traces the evolution of educational system over the different period of Indian history. It also highlights significant developments in this field, the subjects and content of education, etc. This module have only 1 lesson in continuation with the previous lesson in this module. Lesson number 18, Education in India. Now let us understand module number 8, Social Structure. This module aims to examine the various components of Indian society and analyze its structure. It also tries to examine some contemporary socio-cultural issues of contemporary India. Accordingly, you will find 2 lessons in continuation with the previous lesson in this module. Lesson number 19, Indian Social Structure. Lesson number 20, Socio-Cultural Issues in Contemporary India. The last module, number 9 of the course, is titled as Spread of Indian Culture Abroad. In this module, we shall examine the exchange of cultural influences between India and other parts of the world. In this module, you will find only one lesson, lesson number 21, Spread of Indian Culture Abroad. In the end, I would like to summarize the course structure, which consists 9 modules and 21 lessons. I wish all the learners good luck. Thank you.